Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is Preetha. I have created this soft and subtle look which you can wear on day-to-day basis. If you want to see how I have achieved this look, please keep on watching.
Makeup, as you can see, there is no makeup, so let's get started with a natural look. I have prepped my skin with this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Antiox water. Next step is this sunscreen. I am using the sunscreen from Organic. So my skin is fine. So the next step that we have is we are going to use a primer, Absolute Primer. I like this primer for day-to-day use. So the next step that I do is using a foundation. So I am using Sugar foundation in the stick form. So I will be taking a little bit, not that much for daily use. You should do it in dubbing motion. I like this foundation a lot because it gives almost full coverage. Within this much of use, you can see the coverage. We'll set it with some compact powder. So I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. And the brush that I am using is from Maybelline. I am going for a very soft look, so I am not using too much of products. If you have somehow done some mistake while blending your foundation, if you use this kind of flat top brush, then those mistakes also will be covered because you are going to blend your compact. Do some on your eyelids as well. Let's move ahead with the eyeshadow. I am going to use this Sugar eyeshadow palette. I think this eyeshadow palette is now discontinued. It is in shade 01. I'm going to use this shade here. You can see. And now you can blend it with this. As you can see, my eyes are now popped. They are looking awake. Next step that we are going to do is the eyeliner. So I am going to use Sugar Concealer Matte Eyeliner in 01 shade. I'm not going for wing line or something. I'm just use it a bit. And now I'm going for eyebrow. So I am again using Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer in the shade 01 Cherry Brown. Looks something like this. I'm just going to fill in the gaps because I already have thick brows. So now my favorite part, that is blush. So I'm going to use Sugar blush. I'm not going to use too much, just a bit, just to give the dimension to my face. So I'm going to use 04 Salmon Superstar. Dust off the extra. I don't use that much of highlighter on daily basis. This palette is great because you get this highlighter shade over there. Okay, so you can use it as highlighter. So it's time for lipstick. So I'm going to use Sugar. This is a mini lipstick in the shade 06 Peachy Little Layers. Before that, I need to use the lip liner is from Colorbar, and the shade number is Love Bite 02. I'm just going to draw a shape so that it is easy to apply your lipstick. I normally do this. I fill in my lips with the lip liner a bit and then I apply the lipstick. So I'm using this one. Now it's the time for mascara, and for mascara I'm using L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes. I make that weird face while applying mascara. So please bear with me. And I am applying double coat of mascara. I don't use lashes. So I am going to use mascara a bit extra so that it looks great. If you want to do contouring, you can take a shade from this. As I said, this is a multi-purpose one. Just a bit, not much. Yeah, we are almost done with our makeup. So let's set it with the setting spray. I am using L'Oreal. So it would blend all of your makeup into your skin. So, and it would give a natural look to your makeup. So yeah, this is it.
If you have liked the look, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. Please stay tuned with me. Thank you for watching.